This is a car, and this big one is a bus. Can you say car? Now say bus.
Look here, kids. This is a truck. And this is a bicycle. Can you repeat after me? Truck, bicycle.
Children, this is a hot air balloon. And this one goes under the sea. It's a submarine.
This is a van. And this strong vehicle is a Jeep.
Up in the sky, we see a helicopter. And flying to space, this is a rocket.
We see a tractor. And for building, we have a bulldozer.
This is a police car. And this yellow one is a taxi. Say with me, police car, taxi.
This is an ambulance. And this brave vehicle is a fire truck. Repeat after me, ambulance, fire truck. Children, look up in the sky. That's an airplane. And here on the water, we see a boat. Here we have a motorcycle. Vroom, vroom. And this is a train. Choo-choo. Say it with me. Motorcycle, train.
Look here. This is an auto rickshaw. And this small one is a scooter.
This is an ambulance. And here comes a red fire truck to help people. This is an ambulance.
Hello, kids. I'm your teacher today. Look, this is a car. Next, we have a bus.
This is bus. Say bus, kids.
This is a tractor, great for farms. And here is a bulldozer, strong for construction.
Look under the sea. That's a submarine. And this shiny one is a yacht. This is a big ship. And this small one is a boat. Ships are huge, boats are tiny.
Choo-choo! This is a train. And here comes a tram on the tracks. Up in the sky, we see an airplane. And here's a helicopter. This is a police car. And here's a taxi to take you places.
Look, this is a bicycle. And zoom, zoom, this is a motorcycle.
This is a truck. And beside it, we have a van.
Hello, kids. I am your teacher. This is a car. And look, here comes a bus. Can you...
Look, kids, this is a bicycle. And vroom, vroom, here's a motorcycle.
This is a truck. This is a motorcycle. This is a van. This is a Jeep. This is a ship. This is a helicopter.
This is a police car. This is a scooter. This is a fire truck. This is an ambulance.
This is a rocket. This is a submarine.
This is a train. This is an airplane.
Car, bus, truck.
Helicopter. Airplane. Rocket.
Taxi. Ambulance. Police car.
Bulldozer. Crane. Tractor.
Train. Metro. a bicycle. This is a tractor. Bicycle. Motorcycle. Scooter.
Welcome, adventurers, to a world of endless fun and discovery.
Pedal, pedal, a fun bicycle ride.
Roar, a fast motorcycle. This is a car. And this is a bus. Van and Jeep. This is a ship. And this is a plane.
Honk, honk. Grr.
This is a train. And this is a bike.
Great job, kids! You learned vehicle names today.
This is a train. And this is a bike.
Hello, kids. Let's learn vehicle names together. This is a car, and this is a bus. Smooth. The road roller makes the road flat.
And they're off! What a start!
Beep, beep. Here comes the school bus. Woohoo! The ambulance helps people. Choo-choo! All aboard the train. Clang, clang. A tram on the city streets.
This is a bulldozer, and this is a crane. This is a bicycle, and this is a scooter.
Bob, Bob, a little boat on the water. Whoosh!
A big ship sailing the ocean.
Bob, Bob, a little boat on the water. Whoosh!
A big ship sailing the ocean.
Zoom, zoom.
Whirly, whirly.
The fire truck and helicopter teamed up to save the day.
The police car and the ambulance are helping each other.
Toot, toot. The sky is full of fun.
This is a helicopter. And this is a tractor.
Lorry and van. Truck, bus, and van. Car, bike, and scooter. Train, tractor, helicopter and plane. Boat, truck and bus. Car and bike.